everybody, if you would like to see this eyeshadow look I created using the Tati Beauty palette, keep watching. All right, so we're gonna jump right into this grunge rockish look. So I just bought Tati Beauty's palette. Ooh, it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, like I love it. So before I jump into the colors, I'm going to prep my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I am going to just put some on my eyes. Lately, I have been doing my eyes before I do my face, my foundation and all that, and I've been loving it. So this is what I have been doing. And I'm going to blend it out. So now that my eyelids have been prepped, now we can jump into the eyeshadow look. I will be using the same Moda brushes that I bought from Walmart in my previous makeup video, the little 7-piece that I got. So I will be going into this little shade right here just to put on my eyelids. This is my first time dipping in here, so I'm so excited. And I'm just gonna put that shade. Oh, see, it's like the same color as my concealer. So you can't see it, but I'm just using it as kind of like when you bake and you put powder on your concealer so you can like have a fresh face. But you can't see a difference between that and that eye, because this eye feels more like skin color now and this one looks really white. Go into this next shade. It says Soothe. Going into that shade. Using the same brush. Now what I'm gonna do with that is just put it on my crease, as so. It's just gonna be used as a transition shade. So as you can see, I'm going in my crease, back and forth, back and forth. So I'm just gonna put that in the crease, make sure I bring it all the way down. I'm gonna do the same thing I did to this side with that same Soothe shade. Okay, now that I have the transition shade in both of my eyes, I'm ready to go on to another shade. I really love this shade. It's really natural looking and so easy to blend in. I love this shade. I love it. So now I am going to go into Memory, another matte shade. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just, ooh, a lot came up just with one tap. I see you. So I'm terrified of using black shades, terrified of dark colors, but you know what? We're trying something new. So I'm gonna use that and I'm just gonna tap lightly and blend into my crease. That looks like a lot. Ooh, I'm terrified. So I am going to just blend. It's so crazy because you can mess up an eyeshadow look so fast with dark shades. But I am just going to blend it back and forth, back and forth. I'm just going to blend it out. All right, so now I am going to do the same thing I did with this eye to this side. Okay, now that I'm done blending on both eyes, I'm going to go back into the palette and I am going to get this metallic shade right here. So I will be getting this shade. I'm switching brushes now to my other one from my Moda set. It's called a SM shader. I'm gonna wet it with my NYX setting spray. I'm gonna wet the brush. Spritz, spritz. I'm just gonna go into that metallic shade. I'm patting it because I am noticing that it's coming out. Okay. I am going to just place this all on my eye. Okay, that's definitely weird. It's like flaky. But I'm stopping right here, like where my, just right here up to the crease. I'm stopping there and I'm stopping right here. I'm not dragging it all the way down to the outer V. I'm just kind of placing it in the center of the eyelid. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to this eye. I'm gonna do it to this eye with that same metallic shade. Okay, so now I put that shade on both of my eyelids. I'm going to go back into the palette and I am going to dip into this shade right here. I'm gonna use the same one that I used to pack on that shimmer. Use that same brush. And I'm going to dab into that, and it's very pigmented. So I'm going to use that and I'm just going to place it on the outer V, just to darken it up. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Definitely recommend, if you'll be using this palette because of all the glitters and sparkles, to do your eye makeup first before your foundation, because it has a lot of glitter, so you can always clean it up really nice. Next, I am going to, this is the detail brush. I'm gonna use this one. I'm going to jump into this pretty shade right here. And it's a metallic shade. I'm going to put it right there. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Next, I am going to use the first brush I used, the crease brush. I'm going to jump into this Story shade. This little burnt orange one. I love orange shades. I'm going to jump into that and I'm going to kind of blend that in the crease, kind of on top of the crease. See how that just changes the look? That orange shade. I love it. I do have fallout here, but hey, it doesn't matter because I'm doing my eyes first. And I wipe away the rest. So I'm going to do the same thing I did to this eye with the orange eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do it to this eye. That eye is done, just like this one with the orange shade in the crease. I will be going into this beautiful shade right here in the glitter. So I am going to dip it in with my finger. The glitter shades, whoa, oh my lord, look at that. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but it is super beautiful. I am going to put that on my eye like so. Oh Lord, look at that. I haven't swatched any of these shades. Like, this is the first time I'm playing with it. So now seeing this, I need to swatch the other ones. gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So now I'm going to get the detailed brush, the one I already used for the shade that I had put in the inner part of my eye. I am gonna use it for the dark black shade I used in the beginning. I'm gonna use that one, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit, and I'm gonna put it on the outer V, like so, just to darken it up. I am not dragging it to the middle of my eye. I'm just leaving it there. Just leaving it on the outer edge. I'm gonna get this fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend it all together. Be very careful because there's glitter. When there's glitter in the mix, you don't want to get glitter all over your eye. So I'm just trying to blend the edges. And once I get to the glitter part, I kind of stop. I just need to do the bottom of my eye, and I need to clean it up. So before I clean it up, I do my eyeliner. Okay, so I ended up doing my liner, my brows, and my falsies off camera. I did use the e.l.f. false lashes. I believe they're about $3 or less, and it came with glue inside. And they were a lot easier than I expected to use, and they're just, I like them. Anyways, so I'm not big on doing lashes or mascara because I wear glasses, but I really like how this look turned out. So if you like this look, give me a thumbs up. My face is so red. If you want to see the rest of this look, there will be another video coming to you. So thank you so much. That is it on this eyeshadow look using the Tati Beauty palette. Thank you so much, guys.